Welcome to Niche News Weekly Roundup. National News. In New Delhi, the protesting farmers against the Farm Bill broke through police barricades on their tractors and hoisted their flag Nishan Sahib at Red Fort on January 26. Across Delhi, police resorted to lathi charge and to spray tear gas as farmers tried to break away from the designated rally routes. Thousands of protesting farmers who stormed into Delhi with their tractor rally poured into the Red Fort complex by afternoon as violence continued in parts of the city. Later, UP government tried to evacuate the protesting farmers but failed. The farmers' protest is continuing in Delhi. India rolled out its ambitious COVID 19 vaccination program, which is the largest of its kind in the world, starting with frontline healthcare workers. The vaccination drive had commenced on January 16 with the help of two vaccines, Covaxin and Covishield. Members of the transgender community will now be able to use public toilets exclusively made for them in New Delhi. In the annual budget for 2021-22, the New Delhi Municipal Council has decided to provide public toilets exclusively for the third gender in the national capital. A picture of an adorable pug wearing a typical Malayali costume, Kasomunda, searching for an online match is winning hearts on the internet. The image has gone viral and the dog is getting a lot of attention. Over to international news. French cyclist and mountain biker Fontenoy managed to climb the 768 steps of Trinity Tower in France in just 30 minutes on his bicycle. Blind man can see again after world's first successful artificial corneal implant. 78-year-old Israeli man Jamal Furani A blind person has regained his sight after a successful artificial cornea transplant. He was able to recognize his relatives and read text after the implant during an operation that lasted less than an hour. Earth's ice is melting faster in the present day than in the mid 1990s. A new research suggests that climate change and the higher global temperatures are the reasons. Amo Haji, an 87-year-old man, hasn't taken a bath in 67 years. He resides in Dega, which is a village in the Kermanshah province of Iran. Amo hasn't bathed for nearly 7 decades because he's scared of water. He believes that if he take a bath, he will fall ill. A devoted dog named Bonkak has spent many days waiting outside a hospital in northern Turkey where her sick owner was receiving treatment. The pet followed the ambulance that transported her owner Semal Sentek to the hospital on January 14. COVID 19 updates. World. The total number of COVID cases in the world till now is 10 crores and 26 lakhs. 22 lakhs and 16,000 people died of COVID 19 till now in the world. India. The total number of COVID cases in India till now is 1 crores and 73 lakhs. 1 lakh 84,000 people died of COVID 19 till now in India. Kerala. The total number of COVID cases in Kerala till now is 9 lakhs and 11,000. 3,682 people died of COVID 19 till now in Kerala. With this news, we come to the end of Niche News Weekly Roundup. This is Casey Deepak, Niche Degree HI student, signing for you, along with the voiceover of Miss Sylvie Maximena, Niche faculty. See you again next week. Thank you.